Home prices are up 9.9% year over year on the Maryland Eastern Shore. It's Friday, July 19th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Queen Anne's County prices are up 11.9% year to date. Talbot County is up 10.6%. Somerset County rose 8.6%. Wicomico County increased 6%. Cecil County is up 5%. Kent County prices are up 3.9%. Worcester County is up 2.5%. Dorchester County prices are down 4.2% year to date. Caroline County prices fell 0.2% year to date. There are 1,629 homes for sale this week, with another 115 expected on the market soon. 173 homes went under contract this report in 24 median days. 103 sold this past week at 97.9% list to sold ratio, and also in 16 median days. Homes for rent rose to 86 at a median lease rate of $2,175 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, July 19th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.